You could be earning a great salary and still feel broke by the end of the month. It's not about how much you earn. It's about these 5 habits quietly draining your bank account. Let's break them down. The first habit is lifestyle inflation. Every time you get a raise, your spending goes up right along with it. New phone, bigger apartment, more dining out. Your income grows, but so does your spending. So your savings never actually increase. The fix isn't to never upgrade your life. It's to save or invest a fixed percentage of every raise before you let your lifestyle catch up. The second habit is not tracking where your money actually goes. Most people can tell you their salary down to the dollar, but have no idea what they spent on food delivery or subscriptions last month. Small leaks sink big ships. A simple habit, checking your bank statement once a week, can reveal hundreds of dollars in spending you didn't even notice. The third habit is paying only the minimum on credit card debt. Minimum payments are designed to keep you in debt longer, while interest quietly compounds against you. Even an extra $50 a month toward your highest interest debt can cut years off your payoff timeline. The fourth habit is having no emergency fund. Without one, a single car repair or medical bill turns into new debt. This is what actually keeps people in a cycle of never getting ahead. Even a small buffer of $1,000 can stop small emergencies from becoming big financial setbacks. The fifth habit is waiting too long to start investing. Many people plan to invest once they earn more, but the earlier you start, even with small amounts, compound growth does most of the heavy lifting. Time in the market matters more than the amount you start with. None of these habits are about willpower. They're about systems. Fix even 2 of these, and your financial picture changes fast. If this helped, subscribe for more practical money breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching.